Good morning, ladies. Let's try and quickly have a look at exercise 6, number 1. I'm just reminding you of all the steps of factorization. So first things first, you are going to try and see if there's a common factor, which there's not in this case. Second step is to count the terms. So I've got 1, 2, 3 terms. This implies then that I'm busy with a trinomial. You then look at what's happening in front of the x square. If it's a 1, you will do this previous method. If it's anything else, you're going to follow the method we're going to do now. So you are trying to find the coefficient of x squared, and you're going to use the constant term with that. So I'm going to start by saying, what is 2 times 4? That gives me positive 8. Okay, so the only way I can get to a positive value is if I multiply a plus and a plus, or I multiply a minus and a minus. So I'm going to look for all the factors of 8. So 1 times 8, 2 times 4, okay, and then be aware that it could have also been minus 1 and minus 8 and minus 2 and minus 4, because if I take minus 1 times minus 8, it will also give me plus 8. But now, in this case, it has to add to give me positive 9. So I'm going to work with this set, okay. So, in other words, I'm going to now write down my 2x squared, and I'm going to break up the 9x into plus 1x plus 8x. Because do you agree that 1x plus 8x will get me back to 9x? Alright, then I've got 4 terms. As soon as you've got 4 terms, we group. So I'm going to group the first 2 and I'm going to group the last 2. From the first 2, do you agree that I can take out a common factor of x? If I take out a common x, I'm going to be left with 2x plus 1. Okay. From this, I can take out a common plus 4. That will leave me with 2x plus 1. And then you end up with a common bracket. So my common bracket now is 2x plus 1. What's my leftover? X plus 4. Alright, and you're done. And you can go check. If I were to FOIL this thing back, I will end up with my question. Okay, I hope that is clear.